All right, so we're back. And, we're always over on AI Agent Store, seeing what's new, seeing what's popping.
Always something new.
And one of the things that we saw that really kind of jumped out at us was Surfer SEO.
Mm-hmm.
And if you are a content creator of any kind at all, whether you're a blogger or a marketer or an SEO specialist or a copywriter,
Yeah.
basically, if you want your stuff to be seen online, this is something you're going to want to take a look at.
Absolutely.
And what really, one of the things that really caught my eye was that they list an autonomy level of 81%.
It's high.
What, 81%? I mean, that's pretty high.
Yeah.
What does that even mean for an AI tool?
Well, I think what's so interesting about Surfer SEO is that it's not like an AI that you just set and forget. It's not something that's just going to do everything for you and you can just walk away. It's more like a co-pilot that's working with you in real time, so you're writing and it's analyzing your content as you go. It's comparing it to what's already ranking well on search engines, and it's giving you these recommendations that are personalized to you.
Wow. So it's like you're writing your blog post and you've got this little AI in your ear saying, hey, tweak that heading and add a link here and you'll climb the search engine rankings.
Yeah, exactly. It's giving you that feedback as you go, so you don't have to wait till the end and then try to retroactively fix everything.
So when we say 81% autonomy, I mean, are we really saying, are we letting the AI almost write for us, or?
So that's a good question. And I think it's important to remember that with AI, even with a high autonomy level, like 81%, you're still the one in control, right? You're the captain of the ship.
Right.
You're making those creative decisions. You're setting the tone. You're making sure that your voice shines through.
Right.
But what Surfer SEO is doing is it's taking care of a lot of that technical SEO heavy lifting, the things that can be really time consuming and confusing for a lot of creators, especially those who aren't SEO experts.
Right.
So it's kind of like it's handling that behind the scenes stuff so you can focus on what you do best, which is creating great content.
Okay. That makes sense. But, I mean, who really benefits most from a tool like this? I mean, is this just for the SEO pros, or can anybody use this?
Honestly, I think anyone who creates content online can benefit from Surfer SEO because, think about it,
Right.
If you're a food blogger, you want people to be able to find your recipes easily, right? Or if you're a small business owner, you need your website to rank high for local searches.
Mm-hmm.
Or even if you're a marketer working on a big campaign, you need to understand what's resonating with your audience online, and Surfer SEO can provide that data-driven guidance no matter what kind of content you're creating.
So you could be writing about anything from sourdough bread to, I don't know, astrophysics, and Surfer SEO can help you kind of make it more visible.
Exactly. And that's where that high autonomy level really comes in.
Yeah.
Because it has features like real-time content optimization, keyword suggestions. It can even generate AI outlines for you. And all of these things contribute to that high autonomy level. And, one feature I really like is the Grow Flow feature, which basically analyzes your website and gives you a personalized list of actions you can take to improve your SEO.
Wow.
It's like having a customized roadmap for online success.
So you said AI-generated outlines. Does that feel like cheating, or does it feel too robotic? Can you still make it sound human?
Yeah, I think it's important to think of the AI-generated outlines more as like a brainstorming partner.
Okay.
That AI is looking at what's working well for others and it's suggesting a structure, but you're still the one filling it with your expertise and your stories and your personality,
Right.
And honestly, sometimes having that initial framework can actually help you be more creative because you're not just staring at a blank page wondering where to start.
That's a really good point. I mean,
Yeah.
We've all done that, stared at a blank page and just been like, ugh.
Totally.
But let's get down to brass tacks here. How are people actually using Surfer SEO? What are some concrete examples?
Yeah, so, one of the most common uses is just optimizing articles for search engines,
Right.
You've written a great blog post, but it's getting lost in, the millions of other blog posts out there.
Yeah.
Surfer SEO helps you understand how to tweak it so it ranks higher in those, SERPs, the search engine results pages we all want to be at the top of.
Right, the elusive first page of Google.
Exactly.
But it's not just for new content, right? I mean, you can use this to improve what you've already created too.
Absolutely, yeah. You can audit your existing content and get specific recommendations for improvements. So maybe you need to update some keywords or add some internal links or even just, tweak a few headings. Surfer SEO can show you exactly what to do.
Wow.
And you know what else is cool? You can use it to analyze your competitors. So you can see what they're doing well and you can learn from their strategies.
That's huge.
Yeah.
So it's like having this secret weapon, in the online content game.
Absolutely.
Now, before we wrap up, I noticed on AI Agent Store, they have these tags for Surfer SEO. Things like SEO optimization, content generation, SRP analysis, keyword research.
Yeah, I think those tags are really helpful because they give you a quick snapshot of all the different ways that Surfer SEO can be used.
Yeah.
And if you want a more in-depth look, they actually have a really great tutorial video right on the AI Agent Store page.
Oh, wow.
So you can really see it in action.
Awesome. So to sum it all up, Surfer SEO, it's like a data-powered sidekick for anyone creating online content. It helps you work smarter, not harder to get your work seen.
Yeah, I think that's a great way to put it. It's all about leveraging the power of AI without sacrificing your own creativity and control.
Well said. Well said.
Yeah.
And, I'll leave our listeners with a thought-provoking question here. If you could have an AI assistant for any part of your work, what would it be? Something to ponder? And to learn more about Surfer SEO, head over to aiagentstore.ai.
Definitely check it out.
All right.
Thanks.
Thanks.
See ya.